Hey everyone, hope you guys are okay. And today we're going to solve another question, finding the maximum value of the largest integer. And there is understanding first, common mistakes with example. So here is the problem. If the average of 5 positive integers is 40, and the difference between the largest and the smallest of these 5 numbers is 10. So we have positive integers here, and we have 5 numbers here, and average is 40 here. The difference between the largest and the smallest of these 5 numbers is 10. So we have difference between the largest and the smallest, and it says what is the maximum value possible for the largest of these 5 integers. Okay, so let's move on. First of all, understand the problem. The first one says the average of 5 integers is 40, so the total sum is 200. We multiplied it for 5 times 40 here. The largest and smallest integers differ by 10, and our goal is to maximize the largest integer, and it's L. Let's say it's L, and we have a common mistake here, forgetting all integers must be positive. Here they said the positive integers here, so don't forget to read the question again and again. And let's move on then. Formulas and breakdown. Total sum equal average into numbers of integers. So we had average 40 here, and we have 5 integers, and it multiplies is 200 here. Largest integer is L, and the smallest is X, and with L minus X equal 10, because we had difference, it was 10 here. Then comes other integers depend on X. So let's just break it down. Like, so let's say about the smallest integer is X here, and the largest integer is L here. But what about these integers? As X is the smallest integers, so A is the larger than X, B is larger than X2, C is larger than X2, and L is the largest. So L is the first largest, C is C is the second largest here. We assume B as the third largest here, A as the first fourth largest here. So we all have the largest. All these are largest and larger than sorry, not largest, larger than X. So L here is not the largest here, so we can add more numbers to L and make it more larger and the largest here. So we added X plus something, and B equal X plus something here, and also C is equal X plus something here, and we add something to L, something to L, and something to L here, and make it more eventually largest, and then it becomes the largest number here. And we have rest of the number integers X here, 2x here, 3x here, and 4x here. Okay, so let's move on here. So we have 4x's here and the largest number here. So the equation is 4x plus L is equal to 200. Maximize L while keeping all integers positive here. So we had a common mistake here, minimizing X too much here. Let's say X, choosing X equals 0 here. Really it doesn't make any sense, and it makes the L is 200 here, which violates the positivity constraints. So this should not be done in the exam hall. You should keep it in touch in your brain. And then let's move on here. The total summation is here. This is the total summation from L minus X. The difference here is 10, and substitute L equal 200 minus 4x. Here it is, and 200 minus 4x here. So we have then 200 and minus 5x. So here is a minus x and minus 4x. Total is minus 5x here, and it's equal 10. So we solved it. Substitute x, and x is 38. Substitute x 38 into L. So 200 minus 4x here, and we got L is equal 48. It's 4 into 38. 4 into 38 here, and the result is ultimately 48. Okay, we have a common mistake here, 3, forgetting to verify the sum, as not to check the result, not to verify them. Say we had result x equal 50, but we didn't check it. Okay, you should not do this. You should do recheck and recheck to verify, to make this value 200. Okay, And the final solution here, we had the smallest integer 38 here, the largest one is 48 here, total summation 200, and the difference is L minus X equal 10. So all conditions are satisfied here and L is maximized here. Okay, so we have key takeaways. Always check constraints like positive variance total sum here, like this here, the question, you need to reread the question with positive and summations here. So, and then comes avoid oversimplification, that equal values may not be optimal, and verify your solution satisfied all conditions. So you need to recheck. Okay, recheck. Examples of mistakes help us understand what to avoid in problem solving. Okay, so hope it's clear to all, and keep learning.